I have been my own boss for 15, 20 years now, and the benefit of this is that I don't have to deal with other human beings, and with my ADHD brain and my I can't give a fuckness when it comes to stupidity, I'm lucky because it means I never have to deal with a HR department that's going to fire me for all of the disgustingly abusive thoughts I want to shout at people when they're being idiots. Being my own boss isn't easy. It's a roller coaster that started 15, 20 years ago when somebody decided that maybe, just maybe, we could start a web design company. I was a bright-eyed, bushy-tailed 20-year-old, and yeah, it sounded great. I'd done 5, 6, 7 years of working within security, you know, the night shifts, the man guards, rugby tackling shoplifters, being spat in the face. But I'd always had a technical brain, even to the point where I have a running joke with my sister where she said that I would never make any money out of playing around with a computer, and now that's pretty much my career. The idea of this video is to highlight that yes, it sounds fantastic, it sounds romantic, but it's also very hard. So if I can prepare you for the honesty, the honest, realistic results that you may get of being your own boss, if that sounds like something you're willing to fight, kick and scream for, then subscribe to this channel, and over the next 3, 6, 12 months, I'm going to be dropping videos here that will help you grow your business, find clients, make you money, improve your skills, hire people, everything that you need to know to run a business, either on YouTube, through YouTube, or just generally as an affiliate and things like that. One of my most recent issues of being my own boss is this thing right here. I have a very successful YouTube channel. At this point in time, it's got 76, 78,000 subscribers. It's been a labor of love for the last 5, 10 years of me uploading video content. It's helped to drive people to me through affiliate sales, through consultancy, through it being an active CV, but it certainly wasn't instant and it certainly wasn't overnight. In fact, I don't think I made a proper income from this channel for at least 2 to 3 years into it beginning. It needed to become my authority piece. It needed to prove what I could do. I certainly didn't get any of these silver play buttons until about 5 years in, and now I have 4 with another 2 that are going to go here in the post. So my real advice to you is, if you're really truly wanted to go out there and become your own boss, remember that you might have to do a lot of foundational work before it starts paying off. I'm earning now probably the best money that I've ever earned right now, but I'm not a millionaire. I'm nowhere near a millionaire. I am comfortable. I can look after me and my 2 kids. I'm in an okay-ish flat in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire in the UK. But over the years, I have gone through almost 1 bankruptcy in which I had an IVA, I paid off all my debts. I've gone through a few processes where I've dug myself into debt, trying to get a business to grow, or paying for advertisements, or trying some offshoots, all the way back up to paying almost all my debts back off. So the roller coaster of being your own boss can be hard. It can be isolating, working for yourself. I don't have any employees. I'm not touching any. No one's behind the camera. It's just me and that yapping dog that you might be able to hear from my neighbour. But what this does mean is that I control my own time. But the biggest problem is I can control my own time. I probably work more hours now than I ever did within a normal employment contract. Why? Because your boss could be like, here's your task, and then here's your next task, and here's your next task. All of those tasks are in my brain, and I know these are things I need to do. So I get up in the morning, I do all of the work, and then I'm still being nagged by the fact that, hey, there's another 20 odd jobs that you're supposed to do that you haven't done yet, even though you're working on this one that's equally as important. Case in point is, for the last 3, 6, 12 months, maybe even 2 years, I've been uploading videos to this YouTube channel when ideally I wanted to be making these videos. I've been planning these videos and this content for ages, but I've been hyper aggressively procrastinating on everything else. My business is working fine. I've got 3 active retainer clients that are really, really great. I've been working in the crypto space. I've been working in the project management space. For the last 2 weeks, I've been redesigning very large chunks of my own website into massive affiliate hubs, including e-commerce sections, massive databases of products and services. All of these are very huge mountains that I've climbed and achieved while struggling to press record on this camera. So So I just wanted to basically say that you don't have to be the only one that's afraid of pressing that camera and being your own boss. I understand how hard it is to juggle multiple things at the same time. So please subscribe, work with me here, and I'll work with you through this lens. And what we'll do is we'll maximize this, we'll nail it. And over the next few videos, not only will I finally return to YouTube on a regular basis, but I will teach you every step you need to earn income, grow your business, and be more productive either in multiple products or in the one product that you want to. In this case, me and this flaming webcam. I'm Alan Spicer. I'm your YouTube certified expert, and we're going to build a business together.